Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're passionate about anime and dreaming of creating your own, you're probably wondering, what's the best software for anime animation? In this video, we'll explore some top tools to bring your characters to life. Let's dive right in. Viral Anime X. In the ever-evolving landscape of digital marketing, Viral Anime X emerges as a groundbreaking tool that promises to revolutionize the way we create and share content. Imagine being able to produce high-quality anime videos in just minutes. No animation skills required. With Viral Anime X, you can create an endless stream of engaging content that attracts thousands of viewers from around the globe. Viral Anime X is an exciting new AI application that transforms any video into stunning anime-style clips. This innovative tool can help your content gain massive visibility on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, potentially racking up over 100,000 views, even if you're starting from scratch with 0 followers. With Viral Anime X, you can create hundreds of captivating, anime-inspired videos in just minutes. These videos are designed to go viral, driving unlimited traffic to your website, blogs, and affiliate links. Create eye-catching anime videos in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Start by entering a keyword to discover viral videos in your niche. You can also add a video link or upload any video or image of your choice. Step 2. Within moments, transform your selected content into an eye-catching anime-style video. Customize it effortlessly with drag-and-drop features. Add animations, text effects, transitions, overlays, calls to action, and much more. Step 3. Publish your newly created anime-style video on popular platforms using the traffic exploder method. Sit back and watch as your views, traffic, and sales soar. Adobe Animate. Adobe is a top choice for design and content production, offering powerful tools for animators, editors, and designers. Adobe Animate is perfect for creating interactive animations, featuring vector brushes, audio syncing, and modern timelines for video games, cartoons, and TV shows. It also includes a pre-made asset library with backgrounds, characters, and motion assets to speed up your workflow. For visual effects, Adobe After Effects is ideal, while Adobe Illustrator helps with storyboards and character design. Adobe offers tutorials for all skill levels, and you can try most of its tools with a 7-day free trial. Best for professionals, though beginners can start with helpful tutorials. Synfig Studio. Synfig is a free animation tool with a feature set that rivals many paid programs. It's designed for both beginners and experienced animators, with an interface similar to Adobe Animate, making it easy to learn. While it offers powerful animation capabilities, mastering its complexities can take time, and it runs best on a computer with strong processing power. Blender is a free, open-source animation tool available on Windows, Mac, and Linux, popular with both beginners and pros. It supports both 2D and 3D animation, allowing you to create detailed scenes, sculpt models, and add special effects with motion tracking and masking. One standout feature is its customizability. Every tool, and even the interface, can be fully tailored to your needs. However, this flexibility can make the learning curve steep, especially when switching between different setups. Despite that, Blender offers powerful capabilities and has a strong community with plenty of tutorials, making it a top choice for any animator. Autodesk 3ds Max. Autodesk offers more than just Maya for animation and modeling. 3ds Max is another powerful tool, though it shares the same high price tag as Maya. While both are used by professional animators, 3ds Max is often considered more user-friendly, especially for outdoor and interior designs. It's also great for animation, with an easier rigging process, particle and light simulations, a cloth engine, and scripting support. It includes tools for animating both humanoid and non-humanoid characters, and its motion path feature lets you preview object movements instantly. One key difference? Maya is multi-platform, while 3ds Max is Windows only. And that's it for today's list of the best software for anime animation. Which one will you try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more content. Thanks for watching.